welcome to my channel. I know we're officially in the season where all we can think about are New Year's resolutions and how we want to transform our lives, build so much more discipline. All of this in the New Year's. Because who has time for all of this right now? Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to wait till the next year to start with this journey. And that you can just by spending 10 minutes every single day bring in the new year with a fresh mindset where all your resolutions are actually sustainable and that you are not in the same situation this time next year. Okay, so to start things with, let's address कि हम लोग क्यों constantly कुछ भी नया start करना कोई next day पे postpone करते रहते हैं कि मैं next week start कर लूँगी, मैं next month start कर लूँगी, okay New Year's तो मैं 100% ये चीज़ करना start कर लूँगी. That is because we are constantly thinking about this as a huge task that we want to kind of figure out. तो ये we don't have a plan for it. We feel like बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा effort ले लेना पड़ेगा. Honestly, we don't know where to start from. And this is exactly what we want to address at this point because ये thought process change करने के बाद ही we will be in a situation जहाँ पे हम लोग genuinely active steps ले सकते हैं to a better and happy life. Okay, so let's simplify this. All you need are 10 minutes. कोई भी दिन का टाइम डिसाइड कर लो, सुबह अगर 10 मिनट मिलते हैं तो या शाम में मिलते हैं, एनी टाइम absolutely works for any kind of activity. So just identify those 10 minutes but do it right now. ये नहीं कि मैं डिसाइड कर लूँगा जब 10 minutes मिलेंगे तब कर लूँगा. That's not how this works because what we are working on right now is discipline. Building discipline and eventually taking that into building systems. So identify 10 minutes right now and set an alarm. So that your mind does not get that time to think कि maybe मुझे ये करना है या नहीं करना है and you also know कि just 10 मिनट है तो उतना तो कर ही लेंगे. ठीक है, so if you start doing that starting today, in those 10 minutes, what you need to do is identify whatever task that you want. So for example, if you need a more organized kitchen, you spend only 10 minutes in organizing your kitchen. अगर आप ये सोचते हो कि यार किचन ऑर्गेनाइज करना है, कितना सारा काम है, ये निकालना है, वो हटाना है, क्या कहाँ पे रखना है, पता नहीं है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, देन दैट बिकम्स अ बिग टास्क एंड देन यू लुक फॉर अ बिगर चंक ऑफ टाइम. तो ठीक है, मैं कोई वीकेंड पे कर लूंगी, ये वीकेंड पे काम आ गया, वो वीकेंड पे काम आ गया एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. बट इफ यू जस्ट गिव 10 मिनट्स, एक ड्रॉर ऑर्गेनाइज करो. 10 मिनट्स में अगर आपके ट्रॉली में से एक ड्रॉर ऑर्गेनाइज होता है, उतना कर लो. एक सेक्शन ऑफ कोई कबर्ड होता है, सिर्फ उतना करो. You don't even have to spend one extra minute. 10 मिनट का जब अलार्म बजेगा आप काम रोक दो. Whatever is that situation, वैसे ही छोड़ दो उसको and you get to that the next time you have 10 more minutes. And that's essentially how you build discipline. And when you break the complete task down into these small chunks is when they start feeling like doable. कि यार 10 मिनट तो मैं spend कर ही सकती हूँ. 10 मिनट में अगर इतना काम हो रहा है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आपको 10 मिनट मिलेंगे तो देयर इज अ चांस कि आप फोन पे बैठे रहने से तो यू विल बी लाइक अच्छा चल वो 10 मिनट में एक ड्रॉर हो गया था, नाउ दैट आई हैव अनदर 10 मिनट्स टू काइंड ऑफ स्पेयर, मैं और एक दूसरा ड्रॉर कर लेती हूँ. एंड बिफोर यू नो इट विद इन अ वीक और 10 डेज आपका पूरा किचन लाइक यू वांटेड ऑर्गेनाइज हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाई द 10 मिनट्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हेन दोस 10 मिनट्स गेट इनटू लाइक 20 मिनट्स तो फिर दैट यू ब्रेक द सिस्टम एंड तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि नहीं यार आधा घंटा अब जाता है, मैं नहीं करने वाली. विच इज वाई इनिशियली इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू स्टिक टू द 10 मिनट्स एंड फिनिश द टास्क और स्टॉप द टास्क एग्जैक्टली एट 10 मिनट्स. नाउ व्हाट दिस इज गोना गिव यू इज द हैप्पीनेस कि चल मैंने कुछ काम कर लिया एंड ऑल्सो द मोटिवेशन टू डू दिस time after time. And after the first week or 10 days you will get into a system कि 10 मिनट में ये spend कर लूँगी. And once that happens you want to take the next step after the week or 10 days. जब आपका ये पूरा system set हो गया है you move on to the next step which essentially is habit stacking. जहाँ पे now that you know कि 10 मिनट में मैं ये काम कर लूँगी and now that your kitchen is almost clean and organized every day because of the kind of time that you've spent and you've built that system over the last week or 10 days, now you want to add in another task. So for example आपने ये decide कर लिया कि डिनर के बाद में मैं किचन पूरा क्लीन कर दूंगी. तो now that you have that system in place, you take the next task. So for example उसके बाद में मैं living room का dusting कर लूँगी. So you allocate 10 more minutes after the initial 10 days to this. And this is essentially how you're building a system, you're building that discipline, and you started with a smaller chunk of just spending those 10 minutes. That's not gonna seem like a big task or something that is unsustainable. Because the most important thing is we want to build habits that are sustainable. Because when we think about a huge task and we don't get anything done, is why we kind of procrastinate, and आधा घंटा नहीं है, 2 घंटे नहीं है ये चीज करने के लिए, is how we procrastinate and don't get things done at the end of the day. And that is the cycle that we are breaking with this 10-minute habit and habit stacking. तो एक जो एग्जिस्टिंग हैबिट है उसके साथ में ही आप एक दूसरा हैबिट उसमें ऐड कर दोगे, एंड दैट इज एसेंशियली हाउ यू विल बी इन अ माइंडसेट जहाँ पे यू विल गेट वन थिंग आफ्टर द अदर डन. एंड वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड इज when you're lazing around or you're just procrastinating कि यार ये नहीं करना है, अभी मन नहीं है, बाद में जब मन करेगा तब करूँगी. I just want you to remind yourself that you're not going to find motivation for it. There's not an external factor that's gonna come in and say कि okay अभी ये कर लो या अभी suddenly motivation will strike you and stuff like that, which is why the discipline and the systems are so important. So when you know that you are the one who needs to kind of push and get this done is when you are less likely to kind of still laze around and sit and procrastinate. Of course it's absolutely fine अगर कभी कोई चीज़ नहीं ही करनी है and it's okay to kind of chill, but when that becomes like a pattern कि अभी तुम सोच रहे हो कि यार शाम में कर लूँगी, शाम में सोच रहे हो कि कल कर लूँगी, that is when you need to kind of understand that motivation suddenly is not gonna strike and you will be a completely different person. This is an active thinking that you need to kind of do. This is an active system that you need to constantly keep at it and think about it to build. So that's a very important thing. And the next thing on top of this is rewarding yourself. Because we are building a system, because we want to feel happy about what we are doing, you can have small rewards at the end of it. So first जब 10 मिनट का काम कर लिया है, make yourself a coffee, yeah, have a dessert or anything that makes you feel better. So your brain would want to do this again and again. I know that's not the healthiest, but you're building a system which is so much more beneficial than just that treat at the end of it. And अगर आप कॉफी पीने ही वाले थे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर डूइंग दिस इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इवेंचुअली यू लव हैविंग अ कॉफी एंड आप कॉफी पीने ही वाले थे, then schedule this before having your coffee. So you feel like you earned that coffee and that essentially helps you into building that system. So yeah, that does it. This is my 10-minute method wherein you break down any tasks into just 10-minute chunks and implement those to begin with. Now you don't have to be intimidated when starting a new habit or for your New Year's resolutions. Now you have a system in place. Do try this out, let me know how it goes for you in the comments and subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you next time. Bye!